The Unity Degree College was established in 1998 with BBA as first course. This was followed by introduction of LLB honors and B.Ed in 2003 under the guidance of late Justice Mr. Murtaza Hussain during his lifetime. The college management was succeeded by his son Justice Mr. Imtiaz Murtaza, under whose guidance the college has expanded in various other new courses. The new courses started in the last 5 years include BCom, BTC and LLB 3 years. And the college has given good result in all the courses. The college has also made its mark by holding the national level seminar, national level moot court competition and faculty development program in the last 2 years. The college is having a learned faculty base and committed staff under the guidance of our principal, Professor Dr. A.B. Siddiqui. The college, under the guidance of the present management committee, is going to become a postgraduate college by starting MCom course to fulfill the vision of our founder secretary, late Mr. Justice Murtaza Hussain. The society, under the guidance of chairman, secretary and other society members, is going to start a new degree college at Asivan, District Unnao, in the memory of mother of Justice Mr. Imtiaz Murtaza, named as Sheher Bano Degree College, in the coming session, that is 2018-19. The success story of a college ranges from continuous higher ranking of the B.Ed department and placement of a management and commerce graduate at key positions in the business and industrial giants, selection in judiciary and earning laurels at national moot court competition by our law graduates. To the latest, the college has added another feather to its cap, that is 100% success by our BTC students at its first batch final exam. This was possible by the able guidance and leadership of the in-charges and HODs of the departments and self-motivated efforts of all the faculty members. This is just a beginning. Our aim is to elevate the institution into a group of institutions in the near future.